In this video, I'm going to show you how to zoom in on DaVinci Resolve. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up your project and then go ahead and go to the location in your project where you want to zoom in. So let's say we want to go ahead and zoom in right over here. Then what you want to do is you want to go to the top right and press on this inspector button right over here. And also what you want to do is you want to go to this keyframes menu. So we're going to be using the keyframes tool in order to zoom in. And trust me guys, it is incredibly easy once you get the hang of it. So what you want to do first of all is you want to go ahead and make a keyframe. To make a keyframe, go ahead and press on this button right over here. Then go ahead and just press on it. And you will notice that we'll get a bunch of like dots right over here. And that represents one keyframe. So now what you want to do is you want to drag out your video timeline a little bit further in. And then you will notice that there's going to be a distance between our original keyframe and where we currently are in the keyframe menu. And now what you want to do from here is you want to go ahead and zoom in. So you guys could zoom in just by dragging your mouse like this, or you guys could enter specific values. It is 100% up to you, but you can go ahead and zoom in and have something like this. So now if we were to go ahead and replay this, take a look at this, you'll notice that it is actually going to zoom in instantly. So you guys can go ahead and adjust it. And if you want to go ahead and adjust the zoom in feature, so if you want the zoom in to be slower, you can go ahead and just select on the second keyframe and then just drag it out to your liking. So you can make the zoom in really slow if you want to. Again, it is 100% up to you. But now I'm going to show you how to zoom back out. So once you went ahead and zoomed in, here's what you need to do to zoom out. So go ahead and make another keyframe like this. Then you want to go ahead and move forward in your timeline. And this time where it says zoom, you want to go ahead and just enter in the value 1, just like this. So now let's go ahead and play the full clip. It is going to zoom in right over here. Then it is going to zoom out. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.